we're gonna do a race, a droid race. We got.
Introducing first,
Hold on, stop.
General Lee.
Here's a double camera. This camera too. I got your camera on camera. We're
Same.
gonna do a droid race. We got the General Lee
And Grave Digger.
Digger. And this remote, or this camera, follow me, camera guy.
Okay. We're both camera guys.
We're gonna put this camera right down here and record the finish line.
Okay.
It's gonna go right here. I trust that Deegan won't run it over when he gets down this way. Wait, it's
Well, yeah. Fair point.
okay. So put it right here. So whoever crosses this line first is the winner.
Yeah.
Give me that camera.
And what if we have like a tie?
That won't be a tie. Which one are you choosing?
Grave Digger.
Okay, well, General Lee's not gonna lose. Is Grave Digger turned on?
Yeah.
All right, pull him up to the starting line. Right up to the starting line. Don't cheat. Okay, back up a little bit.
Okay.
That's good. Now, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna record this and hold on to this at the remote at the same time. So I don't know.
We could put that somewhere.
No, because this doesn't sit down very good. So here's look what this thing does. Watch this. Sounds like he's got some motor going on, dude. He's ready to go.
Hey, don't cheat.
Okay, so both competitors are up to the starting line?
Yes.
You know where the finish line is?
Yes.
One more for the fans. Ready?
Yeah.
On your marks. Get set. What should we say? 1, 2, 3, go, or didn't go, or what?
Boing.
No, how about on your marks, get set, go. Okay, on your marks.
Yes.
Get set. Go.
Did I win? Did I win?
I don't know. I couldn't keep it going straight. I don't know if I got this
I think I won.
I don't know, dude. Let's back him up, do it again.
Hey.
On your marks. Get set. Let me get over here so I can get it all on tape. Go! The camera's still rolling, right? Go in front of the camera. Go in front of the camera.